If someone walked away from you, don single quotes to chase them. Instead, do this one thing and watch how they come running back. Psychology says the moment you stop begging for attention and start focusing on yourself, everything changes.
If someone walked away from you, they will start to miss and chase you if you do two things. Stop chasing them and focus on improving yourself. Those who spend their time looking for the faults in others usually spend no time to correct their own. Respect people who find time in their schedule to see you. Love people who never look at their schedule when you need them. The greatest gift you can give someone is your time, your attention, your love, and your concern. If someone doesn't value you, they deserve to lose you. It's that simple. Don't get upset when people reject you. Precious things are rejected by the people who can't afford them. Be careful who you share your weaknesses with. Some people can't wait for the opportunity to use them against you. No one wants to support you at the start of your journey, but once they see your success, they all want to be friends again. Be happy with the little you have. There are some people with nothing who still manages to smile. Never stop doing little things for others. Sometimes those little things occupy the biggest part of their hearts. If someone has dumped you and you want them to pursue you again, do two things. For example, start ignoring them first and do things that interest the other person. If I succeed in showing him, he will automatically follow you. When you start taking care of yourself, you start feeling better, you start looking better, and you start to attract better. It all starts with you. Life is really nothing without love and care. Give it to everyone, but don't expect it back, because it's a feeling, not a dealing. Do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment and make it beautiful. You are responsible for your own happiness. If you expect others to make you happy, you'll always end up being disappointed. Sometimes it's very hard to move on, but once you move on, you'll realize it was the best decision you've ever made. Listen carefully to how a person speaks about other people to you. This is exactly how they will speak about you to other people. According to studies, the deeper we love someone in a relationship, the stronger is our hatred for them when the relationship falls apart. Always remember, God will never take anything away from you without the intention of replacing it with something much better. Overthinking kills your creativity, lowers your mental performance, leads to stress, and destroys your self-confidence. Good relationships require effort and commitment from both people involved. It's about investing time, showing patience, and truly wanting to be together. Distance yourself from the people who lie to you, disrespect you, use you, and put you down. Some people are so important in our lives, not because we enjoy their company, but because we feel so lonely in their absence. Don't worry about what others think. Just focus on yourself and stay positive. Some people are always negative, so don't let it bother you. Stay away from people who make you feel lonely. No company is better than a bad company. Don't seek the best partner, but seek for the person who makes you a better version of yourself. Stop calling it love if you cry more than you smile. Move on. Someone better is waiting to see your beautiful smile. Relationships are like birds. If you hold tightly, they die. If you hold loosely, they fly. But if you hold with care, they remain with you forever.